How's it going, everyone? Stone here with episode 6 of Peace for Peace. Uh, Another very special episode coming to you today. As you can see here. Yeah, here. This is what I call the perfect sidewalk, or the all-in-one sidewalk, or the stone sidewalk. Name's still pending. It's the all-in-one sidewalk is the idea, though. Now, as you can see here, it is a sidewalk system that is actually more of a utility highway. Now, there's a lot of perks to this. The utilities are no longer underneath the roads. They are purely under crosswalks and sidewalks. And that way, if anything goes wrong with any of the utilities, you don't have to shut down a road to access them and fix them. They click together because that's faster. You use my 3D printed precast forms. You make the same thing over and over. You have special forms for the corner intersection stuff, but it's all prefab. You just go dig a hole, install your sidewalk tunnel deal, and you go about your way. Sidewalk's done, utilities done, easy peasy. And here's kind of an animation of them clicking together. This, as you can see here, well, the sidewalk is the lid, right? And you can get access to this tunnel anytime. There's a gutter built in to the tunnel, so underneath this grate here is actually your storm drain. These little routes here on the side are actually for animals, so they can if they fall down in there, they can get out easily, and squirrels or whatever. And theoretically, actually, squirrels and stuff, or mice or whatever, they could use this tunnel to get across roads, so it would actually prevent roadkill, which is good. Now you might be wondering, what's this little guy over here? This is a water fountain, but it's a unique water fountain because it's always running. These are blatantly stealing this idea from Portland, Oregon. They're called bubblers because they're always on and water is always bubbling out the top. Now, you might say, oh, Stone, you're going to waste a lot of water like that. And you're wrong. Sorry. If you don't know this already, cities, Stillwater especially, has to, not occasionally, very often, open up a fire hydrant and just let the water run out. And you've probably seen it. You've probably been, walking down a sidewalk and just see a bunch of water in the road. It's like, what the heck's going on? And they do this because we actually don't use enough water. And the water stays in the pipes too long. It becomes stagnant and unsafe for human consumption. And so they have to flush the lines, and literally just goes out in the street. They don't put a water meter on it. We're having to pay for it in our water bill. People don't realize this. And so you have water constantly running on these cool little water fountains. You put these on like every corner because this is a city called Stillwater. There should be water everywhere. That should be like actually kind of like a tourist attraction, in my opinion. In my perfect world, I'm out skating these nice smooth sidewalks, and whenever I need to get a sip of water, there's water available. Because that is a perfect world, in my opinion. It also prevents pipes from freezing. If you have running water, the pipe isn't going to freeze. So it solves that issue. Let's see. It's custom. So again, 3D printed forms, very similar to my 3D printed forms brick. You got custom. You could, have built-in finishes. If you wanted to, you don't really need to, but you could, and it wouldn't really cost anything extra. You could put street names, even like a city map actually stamped into the sidewalk. So it's like, hey, you're here. A lot of bigger cities do that with manhole covers. Like each manhole cover has a map on it, and it has a little star showing where you are in the town. You could actually do that just baked into the sidewalk, and that'd be super cool. You could have like street names, and I don't know. You could adopt a sidewalk kind of thing. It'd be cool. You may notice I'm trying to do this video a little bit faster than all my other videos because I feel like attention span. We gotta shorten up these videos. The next video will be less than 30 seconds though. Tomorrow. I'll give $1 to whoever can guess what the video is going to be about in the comments. I'll Venmo you. Let's see. Other notes. Got the animal highway. You don't have to shut down a road. Prevents pipes from freezing. The city's already wasting water. Let's see. All in one. Super fast to install. Super modular. Super custom. And it's safe. Episode 7 of Piece for Piece is probably going to be prototype number 3 of the brick. I'm hoping I want to create like this is the perfect sidewalk. I want to create the perfect home. And again, it would be 3D printed precast forms. But I want to better illustrate how you could build like a kit house with the forms. And yeah, that's it. Subscribe. I'm trying to hit 9 billion subs. That's what it's going to take to achieve world peace. So if you haven't subscribed, go ahead and do that. You don't have to do the bell though. I won't make you do that. Yeah, I hope you have a good rest of your weekend. And I will see you tomorrow. Have a good one. Bye.